Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shape segment in Affinity. So basically, if you go ahead and draw a shape, and I'm going to go ahead and click on shapes here on the left hand side, and that can be whatever shape, you can go ahead and select it, and you are able to basically remove segments. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to select, for example, this shape right here, and I'm going to draw this shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and just remove the color for the inside so that you can see it. Now, once you have your shape drawn and you want to remove a segment of it, go ahead and click on the move tool and select the shape and right click on it, and then you want to convert to curves. Now this is going to ensure that you have all the different nodes selected on the shape, and once you have that selected, all you have to do is press the control key on your keyboard on your Windows, or if you're using Mac, you press command, and once you click on that, you will notice that once you hover over a segment of it, it's going to show the arrow along with the X, and once you click on that, it's going to remove. So wherever you want to remove, you can go ahead and continue to hold the control or the command key, and then you just need to left click to select, and it's going to remove these parts for you. And as you can see, this is exactly what I'm doing right now. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and easily remove segments of your shapes on your Affinity design. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.